everyone, it's Alex from the Skin Candy. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be doing one of our Valentine's Day soaps that we are going to be calling it Call Me Maybe. We are going to be scenting it today with a bee scented scent called Passionate Kisses, which is a Victoria's Secret type smell or fragrance oil. And we're going to be doing lots of colors today. We have the first color, which is Taxi Cab, just that bright yellow that you've seen us use before. And then we are going to be doing Tangerine Dream, a light pink in Ballet Slippers, Tahitian Teal, which is this pretty darker teal color, and I Dream of Purple, which is, it ends up being a very light lavender purple. I have right here my oils, and I've added to all of my oils titanium dioxide because I want this to be very light, and I'm also going to be doing a white layer on top that I want to be pretty prominent. So I've just gone ahead and done all white in here, and I'll separate it out. On the top, we have some of these cute embeds, little hearts that we've made in a couple different colors that will be kind of just thrown out the top, willy-nilly. In between each layer of the colors, we are going to be doing this Sparkle Me Sunshine Gold. And on top with the embeds, we will be doing this Mermaid Bio Glitter. You can kind of see it. It's this chunky blue with some gold flecks in it. And we will also be adding this sprinkle mixture that has some cute Valentine's Day sprinkles in it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload. And let's get soaping. Hey everyone, it's been about 18 hours since we finished this soap, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and cut and show you guys the cut. Ooh, it looks so cute already. Oh my goodness. The pastel colors are so adorable. Okay, so we've got our multi-bar cutter here. We should name this thing.
Esmeralda.
Esmeralda. We got Esmeralda here. This is not your video.
This is not my video.